Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen recording not working after update iOS 18 beta. As you can see, this is iPhone 12 and right now it's updated on latest iOS beta 1. So when I try to record screen, as you can see, this iPhone stop screen recording. Okay, and it's not recording any screen. So in this video I will show you how to fix that. First of all, make sure you have enough space to record screen on your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on iPhone storage and make sure you have enough space to record iPhone screen. Okay, if you have enough space, then move to the next solution. The next solution is press and hold the screen record button. As you can see, this is iPhone selected right now on photos. Make sure you also select your iPhone screen recording into photo. When you select it on TikTok, you can see it start broadcast but not screen recording. Okay, just select it on photos and then try to record your iPhone screen. It's working well. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. So by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone screen recording not working after update iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.